Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and tonight we are having some fun with colors and of course the Milky Way. Let's do this. So everyone, I just found, it's not really a big discovery, but I was just trying to have a photo with this big crane over here, and this crane in the back has the Milky Way. Of course in video you cannot see it, but as 30 seconds long exposure we can see it. Okay. So what happened is that I found out that I'm having a silhouette out of this metallic post light thing, okay? And I didn't want a silhouette, I want some light on it. But if I point with this light, it's way too strong so it will do some overexposure on the metal. So what I decided is to point it to the ground. As so, just the reflection of the ground on the metal would give an excellent exposure. It did, but it did catch up a lot of the blue of this lens, of this light, which it's not the greatest thing, but it gave me an idea to have some fun. I use an app called Droid app, which is, I can show you guys. So what I did, I push all the way up the exposure of the luminosity of my screen all the way to the max, and the Droid light, I open it and I just select, for example, red, yellow, okay, and I have some fun with it. And now Jack asked me, what about pink? So yeah, let's do pink now. And yeah, Jack is filming. Say hi to Jack.
Hi.
So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna shut down the light because this light is way too strong, so it will blow up our picture. But what we're gonna do is pretty damn simple. I'm gonna shutter release my camera for my correct exposure for the Milky Way, and I will dance with the pink color on my screen on the thing itself. So let's do that. So first I'm gonna shut down the light, and now we don't see anything, but it's okay. I try to... On voit quelque chose, Jacques?
Oui, bien.
Je suis rose là.
Tout à fait.
Right, okay. Okay. So there we go. My camera is ready, and a good thing is to move a lot your screen facing the metal, or facing what you want to change the color of, and you have to move it a lot so it gives a soft light to in this case the metal. So let's try this. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. We are shooting, and now maybe you don't see the light because it's just a really small light, but and really it's quite not strong at all. So you have to do the exposure and shake it a little bit like you are in a music concert. So I just wanna feel real love, no wonder I'm living. During the whole... Okay, it's done. The exposure, it's done. So let's turn on the lights and let's check out what we have here. And check this out. Come on, check this out. How cool is that? So I did pink, I did blue and red, and do all the colors that you want because it's a lot of fun. And yeah, this is a really quick video, a really quick tip, and there you go. So have some fun, people. Drop a like if you learned something, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I am Miguel, the cameraman is Jack.
Ah.
See ya.